In this video, we'll deploy a squad of agents as a customer service chatbot. We'll start by creating and configuring the squad, and then show how easy it is to deploy it by simply copying the integration code into your website. Let's take a look at how it works. Let's start by creating a new squad. In PrimePilot, squads are used to group multiple agents so they can work together as a single system. Each agent in a squad has a specific role and responsibility. For this squad, we'll select two agents, the customer service agent and the domain expert agent. Together, they allow the system to handle general inquiries as well as more specialized, domain-specific questions. PrimePilot supports automatic agent switching. This means the platform can determine whether a user needs to manually choose an agent or whether the squad should automatically route the request to the most appropriate agent based on intent detection. Next, we configure the squad by assigning a domain and providing an API key. These settings control how and where the squad is deployed and how it securely communicates with PrimePilot backend servers. Once the configuration is complete, we can save the squad and copy the integration code, which is then used to deploy it into a website or application. You can place the integration code just before the closing body tag of your HTML page. You can also deploy the squad as an inline chat widget. Now let's see how this works from a user's point of view. Here, the squad is deployed as a floating chat widget on the website. The widget supports agent switching, which allows users to manually select a specific agent when needed. In this example, we'll switch to the customer service agent. Once the agent is selected, we can ask a question just as a customer would. The agent processes the request and responds using the knowledge and configuration we defined earlier. This makes it easy to guide users to the right agent and deliver accurate answers through a simple, conversational interface.